Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Acura MDX cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove everything inside to give yourself clear access. Next, you will find two small dampener clips on the right side of the glove box. Carefully twist and pull these out. Finally, gently push inward on both sides of the glove box to release it from its hinges, allowing it to swing down completely. This reveals the air filter housing. Once the glove box is down, you will see the cabin air filter housing. There are typically two small clips on either side of this cover. Unclip them to release it. With the cover removed, you can now carefully pull out the old cabin air filter. Before discarding it, take a moment to observe the airflow direction arrow printed on the filter. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Now, take your new cabin air filter and ensure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, usually downwards. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing, making sure it sits snugly without bending or forcing it. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely into position. This protects the filter and seals the housing. To finish up, simply reverse the removal steps. Push the glove box sides inward to align with the hinges, then swing it up and reattach the two dampener clips. Make sure everything is secure. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly, about every 15,000 miles or once a year, significantly improves air quality inside your vehicle. Don't forget to check the description for links to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.